Hey guys, Ron Coleman here. Welcome back again. This time a little bit different. Today is about my bike and the Amazon package we got and some parts I got for my new to me, 2003 Electra Glide Standard. And I went with LED lights, except I went with a red coloring background that's going to pop with everything else on the bike. And as we all know, if you got a Harley, you like to put stuff on there that you like, it makes it pop. I thought about just the regular color lights, but the red ones are so cool that pay a little bit extra, but that's the way it is. But if you shop around, you get really good deals. Now myself, I got these off of Amazon.com, and they had a comparable price, actually cheaper than most places that claim to be the cheapest deal in town. Okay, so if you shop around, now what I did order was a bunch of toothpaste that also came with it. I have the pretty whitest teeth when I'm doing all these videos for you guys. So, and also, well, along with my new lights, I got a little Trickle charger. When I bought the bike, it has a set-up charger under the seat already. All you have to do is do the adapter and put it on. Now, this little gizmo is really a cool gadget because you plug it into your USB, it charges it, then you stick it on your bike, and whatever amount of time it takes to charge it will do. Okay, so remember, this is like plug it into your laptop and just let it charge, and then you got something to put on your bike. Okay, that's another little added feature I got. Okay, of course, like I said, it was already set up for that application, and all I needed was the charger itself. Now we get to the lights. Wait till you see these. I think you're really going to like them as much as I do. And like I said, these are an Amazon product, and it just seems like they have it all. Waiting for my windshield was supposed to come, but I believe that's going to show up tomorrow, guys. I also got a new windshield to take off the old ugly white one that I know as many of you guys that are experienced riders and ridden a lot, you get a bike that has a white normal stock windshield, and you're my height, I'm 6'2", it puts the edge of the windshield right at your eye level, where you're kind of crouching down a little bit to see, or raising up a little higher to see. Okay, so I've got an 8-inch one here now. It eliminates that problem, but also takes off the wind blockage. Okay, let's get back to opening up this bad boy and showing you the product I got here. Pop the one-turn signal, making sure that's in there. Everything's good. All the hookups, all of your connectors. There's the second fog light, running light, and of course the 7-inch LED big boy, the Daymaker. Okay. Make sure we got that here. Get our little adapters out of the way. And you gotta like the packing because it's really in there and really well protected. Couldn't have it any way. And there you go. There's a 7-inch LED Daymaker headlight for really intense light and really lighten it up. Now myself, I'm farsighted, and regular light is okay. You know, halogen's pretty good. But this thing is the difference between, wow, lighting it up and letting you see way down the road for the unexpected, the deer coming out where you wouldn't normally see it, you're way closer. So big difference in advantages here with this thing. And I just don't see why everybody doesn't have LEDs. Eventually, I think that's what everybody will have on them, just stock coming out of the factory. So like I said, guys, and tomorrow I'll probably be doing another one of these to show you the new but the new windscreen that I ordered for this deal coming, and that was a good deal also. So until then, guys, all I can say is, wow, get you a set of these boys. If you just got regular running lights on there, hey, get you some LEDs, pop them in, and it's a world of difference at nighttime, guys. Much, much safer. You're seen much better. You're a more visible biker, which is good. We don't want anybody getting killed because, oh, I couldn't see him or hear him. Okay, guys, thanks again, like I said, and I'll be getting back to you next time with the windscreen and demonstrating that to you and showing you what I got. Until then, I'll see you then, and keep it between the ditches.
Video, smash the like button and subscribe and turn on the notifications so you are alerted of every video that we make.
Notification?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's called notification.